Mr. Bhuta Singh, thank you for joining me. I have a few straight questions for you. My first question is, Mr. Bhuta Singh, you have said that you represent a constitutional body, that you have a constitutional post, you don't need to be told about morals. You said this. Now, is that any kind of position to take when there are such serious charges against you?
No, I said that our commission is a constitutional body. It is answerable to the Parliament and the President of India. Therefore, second thing, they were asking time and again my moral. I said, in this chair where I am sitting, my moral is to uphold the Constitution of India. If I have failed in that, yes, it is moral. But if I am upholding the Constitution and I have exposed the biggest mafia of Maharashtra, and for that I feel proud that I have done something to strengthen the Constitution. Therefore, there is no question of my resigning.
But your son, Mr. Bhuta Singh, has been accused by none other than the Central Bureau of Investigation, and you have been a former Home Minister. You know how serious that is, of a 1 crore rupee bribe. Are you saying that just because he's your son, he should not be investigated?
You can call the CBI superior most, but I know CBI is one agency through which the government takes investigation. Therefore, my son, according to me, I know he has never talked to me on this subject. So therefore, how can I give the credit before the court pronounces?
You have always defended your sons, Mr. Bhuta Singh. Your other son, Lovely Singh, was also charged. It's not the first corruption case against your sons.
Well, it was, you know, if you remember, if your memory is still alive, kindly recall what happened with me in Patna. My eldest son, who was charged with more serious crimes than what it has been today, and he has come out totally in all the charges. That was the second day when I took the oath in Patna. So this is the same thing, same tirade is continuing against me.
You are making the entire matter political, Mr. Bhuta Singh. You're making it political, but the CBI has recorded at least 30 recorded phone calls between Rama Rao, Anup and your son. So there is a clear link, a trail the CBI is following. They've had a press conference about it, Mr. Bhuta Singh.